Hello, good evening, everybody. So our next class, by God grace, tomorrow, and we're going to start another special class come on next week, Saturday, 10 p.m. West African time. The training is going to basically for those in Canada, strictly for Canadian. So we're going to train them, by God grace, train them on DevOps. So I just want to just show you some code as a service. So let's just go. Let me just show you some code as a service, just like so. I des- okay. We're using code as a service. Okay, this is my IAM infrastructure as a service, my AWS console. I already created a user called Cloud Enthusiast using IAM is in our format in our previous classes, those of us that are already in class. So we're going to deploy our resources here using our Terraform. So the Terraform is already set. You look at my Terraform architecture here, you see that I've already put my provider. Yes, I use the variable because I don't want most people to see my code, the access code for that user. So I've already saved it in my variable file here, which I'm not going to open for security sake. But in our last classes, I'm going to teach you how we can build it. Then we're launching it CC2 micro, T2 micro, AWS instance. We're using a lookup. I want to show you how to use map and lookup. Then use that's the AMI is under the lookup under map. Then we use Terra, that our key, our virtual, our key pair. I've already created it with IAM. Then the subnet, I already defined the subnet. Then the VPC security group ID. So this is the tag. This is the virtual machine. I've already this pre-configured it. And the way I configured it, I'm trying to. We're going to launch two virtual machines. That's the first one. Is the second one. Both of them are already pre-configured. I've already put a line provision that you should install Apache and you should write welcome to gemoworld.com. Then sudo, I've already put everything. Then you should also install a Microsoft SQL and PHP here. Meanwhile, the second VM, the same thing. You understand? So both of them must be fully designed, and this is our resources, the EC2 resources. Then this is the network they are going to be sitting on. This is the VPC network. This is subnet. Then these are the subnet 1, subnet 2. This is the network interface, the net key gateway, the gateway for the route table. Then I've linked the route table together, making it a public route table by attaching the gateway. Then this one here talks about your security group. I've already defined my security group. Then I've defined my route table and created my resources for the route table for the main route table, because this is going to be two, one on private and one on public. Then I've already designed it. I'm just a simple AWS, just a simple virtual machine, a web server, simple web server. So, and I also declare the output that they should give me the public IP, because I don't want to log into the resources to copy my public IP. So I already designed it. So our class is going to be interesting. We're going to build it block by block. You're going to enjoy all these things. Then even I also declare the life cycle for the instance. So as this one, because we just want to do trial, I say, okay, you should create, in case I'm reapplying, you should create before destroying, so that you will not just destroy an existing software. Then I say you should not prevent destroy. I say false. But I can say true. If I say true, you can't just quickly write destroy. It will just destroy it. I've defined my life cycle of my instances. So these are the things we are going to be doing in our class. So just simple. Just say Terraform apply auto or approve. Okay, as simple as this instruction. So me, it's already existing, it's already pre-configured, so I already trust the code because I've tested it, it's working. So even as it's creating, let's see our AWS resources. Let's come here and wait for it. This is the security code and the access code and the user, and I'm going to use that I've already pre-configured in that Terraform uh, Terraform file. So this is where I'm waiting for the application to be. So automatically now, if you go there, you see it's already creating. It's creating the security group. It's creating the subnet. It's creating the instance, the web, the security group. It's creating the network interface. So if you let's look for the name. So these are the things we're going to be talking about. This under automation in DevOps. Use it for automation. So let's go, let's wait, let's refresh. It has not started creating instance. If I go to my network, you see that it has created my VPC under resources. So now it's the two instances that I created, I put there, look at them here. And look at them, it's already initiating. So when I click here, you see, this is the public IP address. It's already here. This public IP address is going to be the same public IP address that is going to give us the output. No, I'm just trying to show you the comparison. So the same procedure, the same stuff. So this is what we are going to be learning is creating, as it's creating the first instance, it's configuring the instances already. So you see, it's configuring the second instances already. So all this idea clicking is very, very interesting. So when I go back there now, okay, let's copy this IP address. You know, normal, you copy this IP address, you put it in any browser. If I put it in this browser here, you see, it will open. Okay, it's still creating. It's still creating. That's why it didn't show, because when you finish creating, you see it to launch out here because everything is set. It's still creating. Let's wait for it to finish the creation. It's still creating. Creating, clean up. Let's see the second one, if the second one is ready. Let's see the second one, the second instance. Okay, it's ready, but this one is ready too. Let's see if the cleanup is also ready. Elastic IP, I am okay. Let's go. Let's check. This one's supposed to be ready by now. Okay, you see it's ready. Welcome to jamowa.com. So if the second one, I deliberately want it to be different. That's why it's just an aperture. So I can decide to make it to also look like this. Like, okay, welcome to, this is one, this is the first one, this is the second one. See? So if you go to the VPC and everything, I don't want this class to be boring. Look at this VPC here, TF example. Look at the subnet TF example. If you come here, come to the Terraform, you see the VPC here. Where is the VPC? These are the instances. This is the VPC. Okay, see TF example, TF example. So this is the resources that was deployed there. So see, as simple as this. So sort of coming, clicking. This is where infrastructure as a code comes to play. This is infrastructure as a service. This is AWS giving you their infrastructure as a service to use. This is another company called Terraform. They're giving you code to use to deploy your infrastructure. So meaning code as a service, infrastructure as a code. So if I want to maybe or I can decide to, sorry, I'm rushing this class because it's supposed to be an introduction class. Okay, let's see the second instance that we created. Anything I alter here, it will affect the instance because there are rules. There are rules. There are rules. If I alter anything here, it will create another instance. Meanwhile, it will destroy this particular one. You understand me? So that I don't want this class to be long. So this is just an introduction class. Just want to show you the comparison. How so to destroy this now, just for me to just say Terraform destroy. Terraform destroy dash auto approve. As simple as this code. What I just told the system is destroy, just destroy everything that has been created. So take a little time and to destroy. So come here now, you see the instance and the network and everything that I just created, just as simple as that code. Even though it's just 20 resources, it will not just destroy the instance, it will destroy all the network, everything associated to it. It will destroy it. So for automation, and interestingly, it's not only for AWS. I can also configure it for Azure. I can also configure it for OCI, as many provider that is supported by that Terraform support. They can create and destroy. So I don't need to be logging in and be doing everything. So if I want to push in, I want to update, see automatically you see now, say there's no instance running. It has destroyed the instance. See, all they say terminated. So because why here, you see, it's destroying everything here. So that's just the introduction. So I want to be teaching how we build all these things. Look at it. It said 22 things. This 22 destroyed complete resources. 22 resources. He's talking about all the. Look at all the resources that he destroyed. The root table, the route table, the subnet, the VPC, and everything. It has destroyed everything. So that is just a little introduction of Terraform. So you see, with this same code, I can say apply again, it will create it. I say destroy, it will destroy it. If I had to it will update. If it's already, you understand me? So I don't want to bore you all into, I want to be talking about this. So I can decide to use this one to deploy in USA, and I'll change it and put it in US. This is US West 1B. I can decide to say US, I can decide to change it to, okay, the region is already at the variable. I would have loved to show you the variable, which this is the variable file. It's almost the same thing, but for security purpose and other things. And I will show you when we get to that place. So we are calling from there. So this is just an introduction class, and we want to have fun to learning it step by step. So this welcome to cloud training for enthusiasts. It's going to be fun. It's going to be so fun. It's going to be so fun. So my name is Patrick Osatwame Agbogu, and thank you for this little time. God bless you. So catch you in our class. So subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our, join our class. The fee is for the class, special class for Canadian students. We reduce it to like 500,000, 500 Canadian dollars. It's simple, very affordable, so everybody can afford it, and it's going to be very interactive. So it's on WhatsApp. The group is going to be on WhatsApp, but the live video is going to be from Zoom and YouTube channel. So it's going to be fun. 12 packed practical class, 12 class spread across 3 months, two class every week, Saturday and Sunday. So catch you. See you then. Bye bye.